The next one we're going to do, again, we looked at the strongest currency versus the euro. It was the Japanese yen. And if you look at the Japanese yen, this here was our structure point, our selling point from the 105.41. And as you see when it broke, that is your move. We are now trading. We broke below the other structure, which is the 174. This means that on the way up, that 174 is going to be our structure point or a buying point to the upside. And right now we are trading at 99.38, so we're looking for the prices to continue. Yesterday's low is 99.45. We have already taken out yesterday's low. We're doing this session in the afternoon, so the market is kind of open right now, and you should be taking the short right here, which is below the 99.38, and we're going to place our stop somewhere around here above the 99.60. On the buying side, there is no reason for us to buy it unless it gets above the one of our major highs. And let's see what we did. And the euro yen, we're going to go short below the low of the day, which is 99.38. And if we do, we have a structural short point below this, which is 88.32. And our stop is going to be, if I go short at 99.38, I'm putting my stop at 99.50. I'm risking only about 25 pips on that trade. On the long side, I'm buying it above 99.70. And if I do, I have a structure point at 173, which I pointed out for you on the daily chart. And I'm going to place my stop below 99.40, so I'm risking about 30 pips on the trade. And the bias is still to the downside. The reason we have a tight buy is because it is such an obvious sell. When you have such an obvious sell, well, it's too easy. And if it's too easy, you have to take the hard trade, and the hard trade is on the other side. And therefore, we pinpointed our entry before we take it to the end. The other thing about price behavior that I want to share with you, which is one of the special points, the thing that makes you believe more about price behavior and the power of price behavior. If you look at this daily chart, we have identified that low of October as our structure point at 173. That is our structure point. That will be when the market snaps back and it goes up. And that was way back in October. Now we come here to our intraday chart and look at this. Now I have another significant point, which is now trading at 145, and I have another one. Look at this. Look how many days. 177, 171, 168. 4 significant points, all of them lining up in the last 3 days at the 170, which is your same structure point from your daily chart. That means what? It means that these price points are not in vacuum. The market does not work in vacuum. If you're able to identify these points, then you're going to put the odds on your side. And therefore, a trade above the 170 is going to be, that would be considered one buy signal. And there you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, an additional 3 buy signals. So now a trade above the 177 means that you have now 4 buy signals, and therefore you can expect a major explosive move to the upside, even though the euro is in a bear market. All right, so we're going to trade it this way. We're going to buy the euro. As I said, we're going to buy the euro above 99.70, and we have a structure point of 174, and our stop is going to be the 99.40. Okay, that is the euro yen.